Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. In today's video, we are going to review the Zebronics Zeb NC5500D laptop cooling pad. A great budget-friendly option for keeping your laptop cool during long hours of work or gaming. Before going to start, hit that like button and subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated. So let's check it out. Let's unbox this Zebronics cooling pad. Inside this box we get the cooling pad itself and a USB cable for power charging. And look at this, a built-in mobile holder on the side. You can easily place on your phone there to check notifications. This Zebronics cooling pad looks very clean and well built. The top surface is metal mesh, which helps with the airflow. The pad is very lightweight but feels strong enough to hold even larger laptops. And right here you get a built-in mobile holder on the side. This is really smart addition. Now the features overview. This cooling pad comes with two large fans that provide a steady airflow to cool down your laptop during heavy usage. These fans are silent but effective, and it has a two stand to hold your laptop comfortably. And here's the power button, and here's the two buttons to adjust the temperature of your cooling pad. This button is to increase the temperature and this button is used to decrease your temperature of this cooling pad. And it comes with blue LED lights. The fans have cool blue LED lighting which adds a nice aesthetic touch to your setup. On the back side, you can see here the adjustable stand. This laptop pad comes with 5-step retractable stand. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step and 5 step. On the side we can place this mobile holder in the side, and the special features, it has a dual 125 mm of fans with on-off switch, and it supports up to 43.80 centimeter of laptops or a 17-inch laptops. And it comes with two USB ports, one for power charging and one to use your other input devices like keyboard and mouse. These fans are pretty quiet, you will barely hear them, which is grateful for working or attending online classes or meeting. We tested this pad with a regular work laptop and a gaming laptop also. After using it for an hour, we noticed that it helped reduce the temperature by around 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. That's quite impressive for this price. So this cooling pad comes with dual cooling fans with blue LED, built-in mobile holder and a adjustable height, extra USB port and a compact and very lightweight design, budget friendly. So overall, this Zebronics Zeb NC5500D is a great budget friendly cooling pad for everyday use. It cools efficiently, looks very nice, and the mobile holder is generally helpful for multitasking. This is good enough. So if you're looking for a cooling pad under 1 to 1500, so this is definitely worth it. Check it out. It's ideal for student, office users and casual gamers. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. Drop a comment below if you use this cooling pad or want me to review another gadget. And don't forget to subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Stay cool and see you in your next one.